Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. Today we have one ELA sheet and two math. For the ELA, we're talking about the indirect objects. So the indirect object is indirectly what you're speaking about. So if we take a look at number 1, it says, I gave him our homework assignment. So if you think about it, what did you give him? Your homework assignment. Who did you give it to? Him. Sorry, we wouldn't circle assignment. I was just trying to point that out to you. You would circle him. The indirect object is him. If you take a look at this one, they told the judge the truth. Who did they tell the truth? The judge. While we waited at the doctor's office, my sister told my brother a joke. Who did you tell a joke to? Brother. Kevin bought his mother a souvenir from the museum. Who got a souvenir? His mother. Let's do number 10. To calm the baby, the mother sang him a gentle song. Who did we sing a gentle song to? Him. Those are indirectly what they are. So it's all about him, mother, brother. Yeah. Keep going with that. And then you have two math assignments today. Here is the first one. We did this in class today. So if you look at the example, they want you to write down times 10 times 10 written out in expanded form. They want it in word form, and then they want the final answer in number form. So if we take a look at number 2, we have 10 to the second power. So I have 10 times 10, and then I'm going to write 10 to the second power. Oh boy, hard to fit it on that line. And then the answer would be 10. Well, actually, it would be a 1 with 2 zeros. Down on the bottom, they just want you to write it in exponential form and then standard form, which is just the number. Numerical form. Sorry about that. So that would be 10 times 10 times 10. That's 4. So it would be 10 to the 4th power. Oh, sorry, my video stopped. That was weird. 10 to the 4th power, and then a 1 with 4 zeros. Cool. Next sheet is page 2. These are all whole numbers. There's no fractions or decimals. So if you take a look, all we're doing is multiplying 6 times 100, because that's a 2. What is 6 times 100? 600. Now, this one is very tricky, and we haven't seen this yet. You remember that 10 to the first power is 10. Well, 10 to the 0 power is actually 1. So this would be 24 times 1. This would be 24. And if you take a look, there's another one here. So this would be 67 times 10 to the 0 power, which is 1. And that would be 67. And, oh my gosh, 6, 7. Okay. And then here, 10 to the first power would be 10. So we would just add a 0. 3, 1, 2, 0. So in essence, all you're doing is you're writing down the number you're multiplying with however many zeros there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You got this? Oh my gosh, I just read this one. In 2016, the Disney movie Moana made $640 million worldwide. That's a lot of money. Okay, so you're doing this sheet. You got this one, where remember you write it in the you write it in the expanded form, and then you write the word form, and then you write the actual value or the numerical form. And then we've got the indirect objects. So it is the final object is truth, and then we talk about how, who's the truth about? The judge. Cool. You guys have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.